If you're seeing the Claude error that says failed to load usage data, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 quick fixes that usually solve it fast. This is a common browser-side issue, and in many cases, it has nothing to do with your account. It's often caused by cached data, a proxy, a VPN, or even a browser extension that blocks Claude from loading usage information correctly. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. Let's jump in. First, we're going to clear your browser storage. This is one of the most effective fixes because old or corrupted cache files can stop Claude from loading the usage panel properly. In Chrome or most modern browsers, click the 3-dot icon in the top right corner. From the menu, choose Delete Browsing Data. If your browser says Clear Browsing Data, that works too. When the settings window opens, make sure you select the option to clear cache and browsing data. If you see cookies and cached images or files, include those as well. You do not need to delete everything unless you want a full reset, but clearing the cache data is the key step here. Once you've selected the right options, click Clear Data and wait for the process to finish. After that, close the browser completely and reopen Claude to test it again. If the error is still there, the next step is to turn off network proxies. This includes active VPNs, browser ad blockers, privacy shields, or any other filtering tools that may interfere with Claude's network requests. Sometimes these tools are very helpful for privacy, but they can also block the data Claude needs to load usage information. If you use a VPN, disconnect it temporarily. If your browser has a built-in shield or tracking protection feature, turn it off for Claude. You should also check for aggressive ad blockers or privacy extensions that may be filtering scripts or requests in the background. After disabling them, refresh the Claude page and see whether the usage data loads correctly. If it does, you found the cause, and you can either leave that tool off for Claude or create an exception for the site. Now for the third fix, test Claude in Incognito mode. Open a private browsing window in your browser and sign in to Claude there. Incognito mode is useful because it usually runs without your regular extensions, saved cache, or cookies interfering with the session. If Claude works in Incognito, that is a strong sign that one of your browser extensions is causing the issue. In that case, go back to your normal browser window and disable extensions one by one, especially privacy tools, script blockers, and ad blockers until you find the one responsible. Once you identify the problem extension, you can remove it or whitelist Claude so it stops blocking the usage data. So to recap, the fastest way to fix the Claude failed to load usage data error is to clear your browser storage, disable VPNs or privacy filtering tools, and test in Incognito mode to check for extension conflicts. In most cases, one of these 3 steps will get everything working again. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.